महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाचे पुलिसांक बरोबर घेऊन इन्स्पेक्शन केले.
City contractors have broken all the roads. Now, problem is even if they have a plan now, there are different contractors, each with their own plan. Now they have broken every single road. Now traffic has become an issue. That is one aspect. More importantly, that is a safety issue. Now look at this for example. Also. Even though they barricaded, anybody who hits this edge, they will still get cut and they will still get injured. Now basics like this also have to be taken care of. You cannot just throw your arms up and be like, we put barricades and leave it at that. Now we are doing safety inspections to make sure that all of this is done. Their reinstatement work also is horrible. Now we have to make sure that everything is done in a proper thing. The death of a person, a young person, is horrible. Now all of us are parents also. If anything like that happened to my child, I'd bury the contractor in this hole only. I've told the smart city people to start finding these contractors and we'll be happy to make sure. CCP also, now I've told the commissioner also, whatever is in the scope of our thing, if we can file police complaints also, we will do that against the contractors. Enough is enough now. Whoever is at fault now, we'll figure out. See, we had written the moment it happened also, we wrote to the smart city MD, asking him to give us a safety audit within the next 15 days or so.
इन एडवान्स आमकां इन्फॉर्म करचें की खंयचो सेक्शन ते काम करून घेवपाचें आहा पळय तें आमकां इन्फॉर्म करचें आमी तांकां सांगलां आतां.
मजगती स्मार्ट सिटीच्या फोंडाऱ्यांत आयुष हळर्णकाराक मरण आयल्या उपरांत आपण स्मार्ट सिटी आड पुलिसेन कंप्लेंट केल्या.
आज आम्ही बाक्या कन्स्ट्रक्शन, पंजीम स्मार्ट सिटी लिमिटेड, सुडा मागीर CCP आणि PWD हांचेर एक जॉयंट कंप्लेंट फायल केल्या रिगार्डिंग स्मार्ट सिटी वर्क्स. वेगवेगळे इन्सिडंट आमी सायट केल्या, आमी फोटोय दाखयल्या.
मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा स्मार्ट सिटीच्या फाटभुंयेर 10 तारखेर खासा बसका.
ची मिटींग दवरल्या, सगळ्या जाणांक आपयल्या. जवळपास 10 तारखे दीस मिटींग जातली तेन्ना तुमी सगळ्यांनी मिटींग घेवचें. 100% सगळ्या जाणांक जे आपय न्ही मेयराक आनी बाकी सगळ्या जाणांक त्या मिटींगेक आपयल्या.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी आनी साहिल मांद्रेकार.